Hi everybody, I'm going to be showing you today how to use this silver polish foam to clean your silver. So first you want to get some warm soapy dishwater. I put some dish soap in there. I'm going to start by cleaning this one. Just go ahead and put that in there. Give it a little rub in the soap water. Okay. So when you get this, it's going to come with this little scrubber right here. It's like a soft sponge. And it looks like the piece came off. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so you just want to get very, very little on the tip of this. There's already some on there, so I'm not going to get any more. Going to take your silver, start scrubbing. You'll notice it'll turn foamy, just like that. Whenever you actually take the time and polish your jewelry, if you're a reseller, you'll get so much more bang for your buck. People are willing to pay more for nicer looking jewelry. And silver tends to tarnish over time when it oxidizes. Let's just get in there really well. Okay. I'm gonna start on the chain. Go ahead and get a little bit more. Now the thing is the things with jewels like this, I mean, even if they're not real jewels, I mean, this is real 529 silver, is a lot of the dips that you want to be really easy, you know, just kind of drop it in there and it cleans itself. They ruin these jewels. So you will have to take the time and polish this if you do not want the jewels to be messed up and to mess up your investment. Get a little bit more. There we go. All right, so now all we have to do is just drop it in the water. Give it a good rinse. Wow. This looks like a completely new necklace. Make sure you get all of it off. And you want to make sure to dry it off completely in a towel. Oh my gosh. This looks completely different. Look at that. Really shining.